Still coming in.
That's, you can't go here.
David.
You can't come here. That's David.
Oh, Jack.
There's
Marianne, wash your hands.
I'm here.
You never know who's in these films. Oh, I should write that down.
You should have a pen or a little pencil and keep it on the side. Then
Exactly, yeah.
somebody comes over.
Yeah, you could just
Yeah.
simple touch that.
Marianne!
Yeah.
I'm here.
Francis and
Francis,
Jules.
Jules, there's no
Jules
picture
and
of
Francis.
Jules.
That's
Charles.
Charles.
Judy,
Judy.
none of these.
Say hello to Judy.
Pretty young.
There's Joe.
Joe.
Sylvia.
That's Sylvia.
And that's Joe and Harry. And David, Esther, Maxine.
Okay,
Mom,
that's
Mom.
Yeah. Mama.
So this was where?
This was in our yard. Francis.
Just a minute.
David was 2 years old, I guess. Or I don't know. Sometime when they were over. I don't know why. I don't know.
Charles and Joe.
Everybody was over, but I don't know why.
Jules.
No, it wasn't David's birthday. I don't know what it was.
I think that was me there.
He's not dressed for a birthday. It wasn't his birthday.
Oh, this has a lot of good shots of Jules
Yeah,
and Joe.
Joe. That's me.
You look nice.
Ring around the roses.
Yeah. Jules.
Yeah, Jules looking thin.
Oh, there's the apricot
Oh,
stand.
yeah, those wonderful apricots.
Barbara Tapper.
And David is
David.
helping by eating.
How much were you selling them for? I couldn't see the price.
Sure.
Jackie, isn't it?
20 cents a
Nice
basket.
Jackie's
basket,
not
20
there.
cents, small basket, 10.
Oh, he's,
Who's
is
the
that,
boy
is
with
that
the
a puppy
curly
or
hair?
not?
That's David. No,
Got
they're
a
Poor
yellow
little
one.
No,
boy.
it isn't
Well,
that.
Barbara
that's
Tapper.
nice.
That's a girl.
Or Barbara Tapper. They're girls.
Oh,
That's our
that was
neighbor,
a girl,
Barbara
that's a
Tapper.
girl.
Yeah. That's Maxine. There's Esther. Oh, they caught a bird. Somehow they rescued a bird. Oh, they
Oh, here
moved
goes
again.
Esther.
We had different pools. Once we had a rectangle, and sometimes we had circles.
I don't remember
Probably
the
a circle.
rectangles.
The
I just remember
rectangle
the
was,
circles.
the rectangle was the first one.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
David in the top. Yeah, that was a circular one.
Cute there,
I
very.
did like that.
Clever idea.
Harry?
There's
All
Harry.
right.
It's a good shot that I took.
Very cute, right up close.
Maxine,
Yeah, very good shot.
Yeah, very good of you.
Good
I
light.
was trying to dive.
and there's Esther. Harry. Even Harry could swim in it. It wasn't such a little pool.
Well, it was 12 feet across. That's pretty.
Yeah.
How deep was it? About
Listen,
six
when it was
feet?
hot, it
4
felt
feet.
good.
It was
4 feet
4.5 feet high, but the water wasn't all filled up.
Telling David to blow out the candles. Oh, this. Okay, when David was born, we had a group of friends. There were 5 of us.
Oh, yes.
One was a grandmother, and the kids were all born within a couple months. We called them the 49ers, and we all had this was David's birthday party.
Why so many times?